Break ID number 5862. This is a RAZZ 4 1989 Fleer Ken Griffey Jr. PSA 10 Gem Mint. So this is how the new RAZZs work, which I think is amazing. This was originally 5 spots to sell it out. So what happens is it either breaks the same night as a broadcast if it sells out completely, or 24 hours after the first spot is sold. So the first spot sold yesterday, 24 hours later, 4 of the 5 spots sold. So that's it. Only 4 people are now in it for the same price. Better chance. If only one person had been in it after the 24 hours are up, then it would be theirs. So an advantage to get in first or last. So 1 in 4 chance now. Randomize each side 3 times. Whoever lands next to the winner gets it instantly in their account. Go. Daniel, W.O.